evolution of heart. The human heart is a large muscular organ with four chambers, a septum, several valves, and other parts necessary for pumping blood from all around the human body. But this most vital of all organ is the product of evolution and spent millions of years perfecting itself to keep human alive. Scientists look at other animals to observe how they believe the human heart evolved to its current state. The theory of organic evolution forms more complex and higher in organisms evolved from the lower and similar forms. Amphibians are evolved from fishes, reptiles evolved from amphibians, birds and mammals evolved from reptiles. This is the evolutionary tree of vertebrates: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, apes, mammalia. The evolution of art occurs at the following upset. They are as follows: increase in the number of chambers and convention of single type of circulation completes into the double type of circulation. A single chamber art. In low chordates art is single chamber and tubular, the median contractile vesicle laying behind the pannix. This type of art resembles the embryo of the heart of vertebrates. Double chamber art. The heart is H-shaped and is formed of two chambers, namely auricles and ventricles. The auricles open into the ventricles by the auriculoventricular aperture and guard by auriculoventricular valve. In addition to this, there are two more chambers of the heart, namely sinus veneus and conus arteriosus. These two chambers are not two chambers; they are acyl chamber of the heart. This blood passes into gills for oxygenation. This type of circulation is called single type of circulation. This type of art can be seen in fishes. In dipnoid, the interauricular septum is incomplete. So, literally the speaking of art is two and a half chamber. In frog, that means the amphibian heart is consists of three chambers, namely two auricles and one ventricles. Here, the two auricles are separated by the interauricular septum. In reptiles, the incompleted interauricular septum extends from the apex to the center of the ventricle. Hence, the heart of the reptiles is said to be two off chamber. The two streams of blood, namely oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, pass into the heart. This type of circulation is called double circulation. There is slightly possible of mixing oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the ventricles because the ventricle is undivided. In human, the complete four-chamber heart is formed. Thus, the evolution is completed. In four-chamber heart, a complete double circulation takes place. It has two auricles and two ventricles. It is found in birds and mammalia. The oxygenated and deoxygenated blood stream does not mix. The oxygenated blood stream passes throughout the left side of the heart and the deoxygenated blood stream passes throughout the right side of the heart. Thus, I believing as do I in evolution, I merely believe that it is the method by which the God created and is still creating the life on earth.